So guys, we are coming here today to make videos and trying to make in English. So I am not fluent speaker, I am just learner. Just now you can see me how I am speaking English, and I am not a fluent speaker. I am just trying to learn English. So that's how I can practice my English. And I am coming here in lake, so we can make exercise videos also. And we can make fit ourselves, just like not for six pack, like for body we can reduce our belly fat. So I can improve my English also, and I can uh, I can make videos also, and I can exercise. So that's the problem when we are speaking English. If someone came to our side, then we speaking like what they think, and we are nervous when we are speaking. So if you are speaking go like nervous, then you can't speak. Your communication is, will be reduced. So try to speak. If you don't try, then how can you improve yourself? So when you come, whenever you go any side or any company, so they will ask you in English. If you don't speak English, then they will say like you are a fresher, you can't get a job. So how I am speaking my English, I don't know. Just like I am also a learner, so I will make it wrong. So don't take it seriously. If I do mistake, then I will learn from the video. Now you can see one, there are three person, they are cycling in this like lake, and we are like jogging here. After jogging we are going to exercise here, and I will show you my video also. You can check out my shorts also. There you can see my shorts video also. And I am trying to make more videos, just like 100 days challenge, that you can get my improvement, how I am uh, height my belly fat, and after 100 days you can see my belly fat. Can't get six pack, but definitely you can get like normal belly fat. Building where we are not living there, but after few 15 meters there is the colony where we are living. But in our room we are living four members, and each members are working in company. But you can't believe, just like we are all getting same salary, like someone is getting 20,000 and someone is getting 25,000. If I talk about like in yearly, then we are getting uh, 3 LPA, 2.4 LPA, something like that. 2.4 LPA, that means we are getting every month 20,000 salary. So this is the view of our lake. If I get time, then I'll come every day, and every day I will show you this. Whenever I round in this side to that side, then I will show you how is that. And it's looking very nice, but today we are coming late, so that the sunrise is what to say, sunset. That's why you are not getting proper light. If I come tomorrow, then I will show you how is that, like it will give you more light. And this side is looking good because there's some type of lights are there. So if I come tomorrow, then I will definitely show you. And I don't know how longer it this video will go. It will be take 10 minutes, 10 minutes, or 10 minutes longer, or 10 minutes shorter. So I don't know, but I'll tell you that I'll upload daily basis video, just like 100 days. If I upload 100 days, then I will show you my first video and then 100 days video, and you can see after that that my fluency is good or not. If I try to speak like this every day 10 to 30 minutes, then it will be very good for me, because if you don't speak English, then you cannot get any jobs in Bangalore. So everyone wants experience and English spoken person. If you don't know speak how to speak English, then you can't get job, no matter what is your degree qualification. If you are degree just like BA, BSc, BCom, then also you can't get job. If you get job just like call center, then they will also ask you for English communication. If you don't know, then also they will hire you for fresher and give you like just 10,000, 15,000 salary. So guys, if you want to come in Bangalore and get a job, so you have to complete a degree. No matter what degree you are completed, just like BSc, BCom, and BA, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce, and Bachelor of Science. So you have to complete it to any degree, no matter which degree you are doing. And next, you have to speak English. It will be most very important for you. It's compulsory. If you have to skills in your resume, then you can get jobs in Bangalore. No matter, not only Bangalore, you can get Kolkata also, and Hyderabad. There is all BPO job. You can get facility job also. I'm already doing as a facility supervisor. There I'll getting just like 5 LPA. So 5 LPA, maybe you don't know. 5 LPA is you just 5 LPA that's divided into every month. 5 LPA, it will be like 35,000 per month. Then it will be if we do in yearly, then it will be LPA, just like lakh per year. Just not everyone getting LPA. For example, I'm getting 5 LPA, so it will be divided into 12. 5 LPA, 5 lakh, not per month. It will be 5 LPA, lakh per year. 5 5 lakh per year. That means you have to divided in 12. 5 lakh to divided into 12. It will be like 35,000. So if you want to come anywhere, but you have to work in there, so you must needed two skills. Just I told you, right? So this is my video. Must like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you want to come, then comment. Thank you.